Hello, everyone. It's Miss Norman again, and it is Friday. Can you believe we've made it through another week of digital learning? I'm so proud of you guys and all the hard work that you've been doing. We have two more problems to finish up today. One we're going to do together, and then one for you guys to do on your own. So let's look real quick at yesterday's problem that was our independent practice. Sam has 4 hats, and then Sam hid 3 of his hats. How many hats does he have now? So I drew a picture of my 4 hats, and then I put an X on 3 of those hats because Sam hid them, which means we can't see them anymore. So when I counted, I saw that I had 1 hat left. And then I thought about it and realized we were taking those hats away. We weren't putting them together. So I had 4 take away 3 makes 1. Sorry about that. Technical error. All right, let's move on to Friday's problems. Ron has 3 balloons. Oh, excuse me. Let's start again. Ron has 5 balloons. 3 balloons pop. How many balloons are left? So we're going to read it again and circle our important information. So we know that Ron has 5 balloons, and then we know that 3 of them pop. And we want to know how many balloons are left. So let's go ahead and start drawing. I'm going to draw my 5 balloons. And then we see that 3 of them are going to pop. So let's think about that. Are we going to put 3 more balloons on there? Or are we going to take away 3 of those balloons? Well, if they pop, we're going to take them away, won't we? So let's X those balloons out. Ready? 1, 2, 3 of those balloons are gone. Let's count how many balloons we have left. Ready? We have 1, 2 balloons left. So how many balloons are left? We have 2. I'm not going to be able to fit the word balloons next to it, so I'm going to just come down here and write it. 2 balloons. Ron had 2 balloons left. So our math sentence we were taking away. So we're going to say 5 balloons, and we took away 3 of them. So now we have 2 balloons left. All right, let's move on to your independent problem. This is going to be our last problem for the week. And then next week, we're going to move on to a new skill. So what I will do next week is I will give you a document with some word problems that you can practice at home if you would like. But we will start working on a new skill next week. So let's read this one together and think about it before you guys get started. A man has 5 dolls. The man sells 5 dolls. How many dolls are left? Let's highlight our important information. We have a man, he has 5 of dolls, and then we know that he sells those 5 dolls. And we want to know how many dolls are left. So let's think about that. Are we going to put 5 dolls together with 5 more dolls? Or are we going to have our 5 dolls and then take away 5 dolls? I want you guys to think about that for a little bit before you get started, and I cannot wait to see what great work you guys have. Have a wonderful weekend. Rest and play and enjoy your weekend, and we will be back next Monday for some more learning.